generating loading. What did you ask?
Yeah, I was going to do a landing page for pet shops. This one.
Gemini.
Yeah, it is lovable. Yeah, you can say that. Yeah, but then more customization.
It's assembly now. You can generate names. You can share that.
You can generate tags and all that.
Yes.
Cool, thanks. Sorry for now.
This is what like I like about this one is either like you can select your design.
How did it know to add voice conversation? Did you tell it to?
No, I think.
You haven't done it because I guess it's just giving you tips and stuff.
Yeah, it's just you like you can add like a bunch of things that you only wait like.
These are
So it's like a free. There is like a free version which is like. Oh no, this is pro by the way.
This one is pro, but there is like usually there is like free version which lasts very long, so you have a lot of credits to use in a free version as well. And
Not really, because they have another product called Antigravity. So they have this one. So this one's more like it stays in the web and then like it does like you can do whatever you want. But like Android Studio is like
Features or does it source it from somewhere? Trick
it's
question.
it's a source it unless you can give this. So yeah, so here it changed now. Previously it was different. Now it changed to best shop and it added a logo here.
Actually, first
Did you make sure that it's not like lay down?
Like I knew the architecture, so I designed like architecture.
okay.
So it's a good part is it connects.
It actually knows what you mean. It actually knows what you mean.